So we'll discuss what's the difference between a long-term debt and a equity. So in long-term debt, we have to pay regular cash payment in the form of interest, but in equity, dividends can be regular or irregular. In terms of debt, there's a legal guarantee to return the amount of money borrowed, but in equity, there's no such compulsion to return the money back and all because they are like partly owners. In debt, high priority is given on times of liquidation. So at the time of bankruptcy or liquidation, debt is given more priority than the equity shareholders. So that's about the liquidation part. Stated maturity date. So when the debt gets matured and has to be repaid is always stated. For example, a 5-year debenture, but no such date is mentioned for equity. There is no voting rights for debt holders, so they can't intervene in the decisions of the company. But equity shareholders have the right to vote on decisions. So there is a positive and negative covenants. So covenants refers to the rules and regulations imposed by the debt holders. So there can be positive and there can be negative. For example, positive is the interest coverage ratio should be more than 5 times. So that is positive. Okay. Negative covenants is company should not issue further debt. So no new debt. Okay. So something which says the company should have this is positive covenant. A company should not do this is called a negative covenant. Such rules and regulations are not imposed by equity shareholders. So this is the major difference between a debt and equity.
You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Sham Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.